What to do when solids back up in your septic tank. A septic tank is designed to separate and break down waste from your home. Over time, however, solid waste can build up faster than it decomposes. When this happens, you may experience slow drains, unpleasant odors, or even sewage backups. Knowing what to do when solids back up in your septic tank can help prevent costly repairs and keep your system working properly. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Signs of a septic tank backup. Watch for these common warning signs: slow draining sinks, showers, and toilets, gurgling sounds in pipes, bad smells around drains or outdoors, standing water near the drain field, sewage backing up into the house. If you notice any of these problems, act quickly to avoid further damage. What to do when solids back up in your septic tank. 1. Reduce water usage. Limit water use immediately. Avoid long showers, laundry loads, and excessive dishwashing. Less water entering the system can help prevent the backup from getting worse. 2. Schedule a septic inspection. A professional can identify the cause of the problem. The issue may be excessive sludge, a blockage, or a damaged septic component. 3. Pump the septic tank. If the tank is full of solids, pumping is often necessary. Removing excess sludge restores space in the tank and helps it function more efficiently. 4. Use the septic tank treatment. A quality septic tank treatment adds beneficial bacteria that help break down organic waste. Regular treatments can support healthy bacterial activity and reduce solid buildup. 5. Avoid flushing problem materials. Never flush items such as wet wipes, paper towels, grease and cooking oils, feminine hygiene products, harsh household chemicals. These materials can clog the system and interfere with waste breakdown. Tips to prevent future backups. 1. Pump your septic tank regularly. 2. Use septic-safe cleaning products. 3. Conserve water whenever possible. 4. Add septic treatments as recommended. 5. Schedule routine inspections. Understanding what to do when solids back up in your septic tank can save you time, money, and frustration. By reducing water usage, scheduling professional maintenance, pumping the tank when needed, and using a reliable septic tank treatment, you can keep your septic system running smoothly. Regular care and preventive maintenance are the best ways to avoid future septic tank problems. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.